In our previous class, we had seen the concept of delete, how we can delete the records from the table. Now in this class, we are going to learn about the concepts of truncate. So you can also remove the records from the table with the help of this truncate statement. Unlike the delete, so this is a part of DDL, that is data definition language. Delete was part of a DML, data manipulation language. DDL, if you ask me what are DDL, these are the data definition language like the create table, alter table, so on and so forth things. So you can't roll back a truncate statement because as it is part of DDL. If it was a DML, then you could have rolled back a transaction. Now suppose you are selecting start from toys and seeing the details available in the toys. Then you execute truncate table and the table name, that is toys. What it will do is it will delete all the records in the table. Then if you try to search for the records, it will get nothing. Then if you think that we have done something wrong and want the records back, even if you run the rollback, you won't get anything back. So you can't remove some rows using a where clause. Also, apart from rollback not working in this case, you cannot add the where condition. In the case of delete, we had option to delete the records where it was satisfying a condition like price is less than 1. We had seen where it has deleted couple of records. Now in this case, we cannot do like this. So with this, you may be wondering why you would use a truncate over a delete. Now one main reason is a performance with the truncate. So truncate is very fast. It will mark the table as empty without touching the data. So truncate operations are instant no matter how many rows are there in the table. If you execute the delete statement and if you are having 1 million record, it will take a lot of time in order to delete the records from the table. But if you are making use of truncate, even if it is a 1 billion record, it will delete entire set of records in a fraction of a second. Delete will perform the processes each row by row. So the number of rows in the table increases, the time to delete will also increase. So with the help of truncate, you can deallocate the table storage, but the space remains allocated to the table with the delete statement. If you want space to be allocated with the table, when you execute this truncate table statement, then you have to make use of this clause, that is truncate table toys followed by that reuse storage. Keeping the storage is useful if you reinsert a similar number of rows soon after the truncate. For example, on a daily load from an external system, leaving the space assigned to a table reduces the work the database does during the load. So again, database doesn't have to talk to the memory and get the space back. So you can have the space allocated to the table if you are daily inserting the records in the table as part of the data migration activities.